I crochet 2 pieces with this virus hexagon cardigan. This hexagon piece, this is the first one, this is the second one, and I want to give you my measurement, but you can adapt it with your size. This is my underarm point, the center, and this is the corner. I put the like triangle, I put the corners on it. 3 corners on 3 corners. Okay, like a triangle, you will fold it. I will give you my measurements. From this center to corner, $18 and it's equal to 46 centimeter. And I keep crocheting until between 2 corners I have 6 shells. Okay. If you want to make it bigger, you will keep repeating your rounds. If you want to make it more smaller, you need to crochet a little less. Okay. Look at that. I put 2 pieces, my 2 hexagons like that, and we will join this back side together, then shoulder part, and that's it. We finish our cardigan. This is shoulder part. We join this arm part like that, then leave this front side and keep joining the second arm part like that. Okay, we will start from the bottom of the back side. I will start with slip knot, then start from the bottom corner. You know that back sides we have here double crochets, you know. I will count it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Now I will 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Find the middle space here. Then count it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 here. This is middle point. I insert my hook that middle point. Then make here single crochet. Then I will join it with these spaces. It will be more easier, I think. We will working with these spaces here. Same space. You can make here single crochets, or I will join like that, make here single. This is starting point. Then chain 1, insert the next space and make slip stitch, chain 1, next space, slip stitch, chain 1. I will join like that, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, next space, slip stitch, chain 1, here chain 1. Look at that. We will work with always spaces. That's so simple and fast. I will add chain 1. If I make here single crochet, it's more looking thicker, but this not so thick. You can see that. Of course, if you want different way, you can join it different type. Make slip stitch, chain 1, make slip stitch, chain 1. I will come to this and after turn 2. I come to back side stop and again count 10, double crochet and make my space. I keep here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is my space. Chain 1, next space, make slip stitch, chain 1, next stitch, space, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, and this is last one, chain 1. And now I want to cut my yarn here because I want to start the first arm. After, keep as same as joining, then hide this tail. Now we join this back side like that. Now we will join the arms. Now this is front side, this opening part, my front side. You can see that this is my back side. We join that. Now I will take the first arms part, and again we will put corner to corner here. You can see that we put the shells together here, here, and that when I come to here again I will count 10 and find the middle point. That's it. This time here I put the corner to corner. This time we join front side, so I will left here this half of this corner and one shell because this is front side. Now I'm start the first arms middle point. Again make a slip knot. Where is my yarn? Here. It's too big and so hard to show that. I hope I will explain it well. I hope I will write this cardigans pattern. It will be more easier. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Find this middle point. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Find the second middle space here. I insert my hook and join with single crochet. Again, next space, slip stitch, chain 1. Next space, slip stitch, chain 1. I will do the same thing until this is first shell, the second one, the third, and the end of the fourth and the fifth one. I complete the fifth shells joining after turn 2. I complete the first arms. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth shell. Now leave here one shell and half corner. Take your back side here and look at that. Here I have one shell, one side one shell, the second side here I have, sorry, again I have one shell here and half corner. Again leave here half corner and one shell. Until here I will make slip stitches. Okay, not join the front sides. I come to second arm part with only slip stitches from back side here. Chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch. Insert my hook from the spaces. Look at here, this is the last point. I left here, not join this front side to the back side from one shell, middle corner, the second pieces, the half corner and one shell. I left, I only make chain 1 and slip stitch on back side. Now I will take my front side again and look at here. Left this middle corner 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 here and 1 shell. Left here, not join this piece. I will insert my hook here. Where am I? I will look here. Look at here. I'm here. I will insert my hook from here. Not make chain 1. I will join here with single crochet. Then put the shell on the shells. Chain 1. Insert the space, make slip stitch, chain 1. Insert the space, slip stitch, make chain 1. I will keep joining. This is first shell. Actually, this is second shell, the third, the fourth, here, the fifth, here the sixth, and this is half corner. I will keep joining the second arm like that. We left this part, you know, because this is our front side and we want to this neck part like that. Okay, I will join the second arm after turn to you. I complete the second arm, crochet this half corner, chain 1 and cut my yarn and finish our cardigan. That's it. We finish our cardigan. This is so beautiful, but I told it from the beginning of the video, I crocheted too much. You don't need to make it like too big. Okay, you will make your 2 hexagon pieces between 2 corners. Nearly you have 3 or 4 shells is enough. Okay. This is, but if you want to make it too big like that, you will keep crocheting as same as. I hope you like it and you will try that. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. I hope to write this pattern on Etsy. Thanks for your time and kind comments. See you next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.